Do you remember the last time you climbed the stairs without holding the handrail? Or that morning when you stood up from your chair and your legs trembled slightly, as if they no longer obeyed you? Most people think that's just aging, that the body is getting weaker, that muscles aren't what they used to be. But after more than 40 years as an orthopedic surgeon, I've learned something that still amazes me. Your body isn't broken, it's just asleep. And once awakened the right way, that strength is still there, even at 90. I'm Dr. Robert Hayes. I've practiced in Ohio for 4 decades, witnessing thousands of older adults recover from injuries, degeneration, and muscle loss. Some once believed they'd spend the rest of their lives in wheelchairs until we changed one simple thing: their diet. I remember Ellen, 90 years old, frail, barely able to walk without her daughter's help. 6 weeks later, when I visited her again, she stood up from her chair, smiled, and said, "I can do it myself now, doctor." The room went silent, and then everyone burst into laughter. What changed? Not drugs, not surgery. Just nutrient-rich foods that help the body naturally rebuild collagen and protein, 2 essentials that quietly decline after 60. When they're missing, muscles soften, joints creak, and every step feels like a struggle. But when you feed your body correctly, it begins to repair itself like a machine that finally gets oiled after years of neglect. Studies from Harvard, Stanford, and the Mayo Clinic have confirmed it. Even at 80 or 90, the body can regain up to 40% of lost muscle strength simply by replenishing the right foods. So if you've ever believed that weak legs are just part of getting old, listen carefully. Age doesn't decide your strength, how you nourish your body does. In this video, I'll reveal 5 scientifically proven foods that help your legs grow stronger, your joints move more freely, and your energy return day by day. A few of them may already be sitting in your kitchen. Let's begin, because your body hasn't given up on you. It's just waiting for you to flip the switch and wake it up. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. We read and respond to every comment, so leave yours below. Now, without further delay, let's get started. Number 5. Sweet potatoes, the energy source of longevity. If there's one humble food that can help your legs stay strong after 60, it's the sweet potato. Sounds too simple, right? But science has proven that this modest root is actually the longevity secret of some of the world's healthiest seniors. On Okinawa Island, Japan, home to the highest percentage of centenarians on the planet, more than 60% of their daily diet comes from sweet potatoes. And here's the fascinating part. Most of them still walk briskly, tend their gardens, and even ride bicycles every day at an age when many people rely on canes. A Harvard University study found that older adults who ate sweet potatoes 3 to 4 times a week had 30% greater thigh strength and up to 60% fewer nighttime leg cramps compared to those who didn't eat them. One of my most memorable patients, 84-year-old Evelyn Cooper from Florida, came to me with swollen, tired legs that ached after just a few steps. I suggested she add steamed sweet potatoes to her breakfast with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. 6 weeks later, she walked into my clinic without her cane, smiling. "I walk around the house every morning now, doctor," she said. "My legs listen to me again." So, why are sweet potatoes so effective? They're rich in beta-carotene, the precursor of vitamin A, a nutrient that helps your body repair muscle cells and shield your engine from oxidative stress. Think of your body like an old machine. If protein is the brick that rebuilds muscle, beta-carotene is the mortar that holds everything together and keeps it from crumbling. Sweet potatoes are also packed with natural potassium, which balances electrolytes, prevents cramping, and improves endurance after movement. Preparation matters too. Steam or bake them with the skin on, that's where most of the antioxidants live. Avoid frying or baking them at excessively high temperatures, which can destroy key vitamins. When you eat them, add a little olive oil or pure butter. Healthy fats act like a delivery truck, helping your body absorb all the fat-soluble vitamins inside the sweet potato. No expensive meals, no supplements. Just 1 sweet potato a day sends your body a message. It's time to restart. As Evelyn once told me, all I did was change my breakfast and my legs remembered how to walk again. Before we continue, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons now. You won't want to miss the life-changing tips coming up next. Number 4. Sardines, the protein that helps your body self-repair. If there's one small but mighty food that acts like a natural pill for your legs, it's the sardine. You've probably seen it sitting quietly on supermarket shelves in small cans, humble in appearance, but incredibly powerful for anyone over 60. I once met George Miller, a 9-year-old retired Navy sailor from California. He came to me with aching knees, struggling to walk, and relying on a cane for balance. "I eat healthy," he said, "but my legs keep getting weaker, like my energy's slipping away." When I reviewed his diet, I realized he was missing a key element: natural protein and omega-3 seconds, the very nutrients that help the body repair itself. I told him to add sardines packed in olive oil to his lunch 3 times a week. 6 weeks later, he walked into my office without his cane. "Doc," he grinned, "I can walk along the beach again, just like the old Navy days." George's story isn't rare. A study from the University of Barcelona found that seniors who ate sardines twice a week reduced their risk of muscle loss and limb weakness by 78%. The magic lies in omega-3 fatty acids. They reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and lubricate muscle cell membranes, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently. Sardines are also rich in natural vitamin D and calcium, 2 nutrients most people over 60 lack, leading to weak bones and stiff joints over time. Equally important is the high-quality protein. Just a small serving gives you more than 20 grams of easily digestible protein, along with amino acids that repair muscle tissue. If sweet potatoes are your starter fuel, then sardines are the silent mechanic working inside your body. For best results, choose sardines packed in olive oil or light brine. Pair them with leafy greens or a squeeze of lemon to boost mineral absorption. And don't skip the soft bones. They're one of the best natural sources of calcium your body can use right away. 1 can of sardines, a few lemon slices, and a drizzle of olive oil, simple as a sailor's meal on deck, yet powerful enough to restore every fiber and joint from the inside out. These days, George still walks to the beach each morning, breathing in the salty air, moving with steady confidence. During his last checkup, he smiled and told me, "Doc, I finally realized strength isn't about age, it's about what you choose to put on your plate." Number 3. Black beans. Fuel for the body and the mind. If there's one food that nourishes both your muscles and your mind, it's black beans. These tiny little seeds are the slow-burning fuel your body needs after 60 because they don't just feed your muscles, they feed your brain as it gradually slows down with age. I'll never forget one of my patients, 72-year-old retired teacher Linda Harris from Texas. She loved her afternoon walks around the park, but lately her legs had grown heavy. Every step felt like she was carrying weights around her ankles. She had tried all sorts of vitamins, but nothing changed. When I reviewed her diet, I found she was missing one crucial thing: plant-based protein, the kind that keeps older bodies strong and energized. I suggested she swap her morning white bread for a light bowl of black bean soup with a touch of olive oil and lemon. A month later, she returned with a bright smile. "I climbed 3 flights of stairs without stopping," she said. "I guess my body just needed the right kind of fuel." Why are black beans so powerful? First, they're a complete plant protein containing all the amino acids your body needs to rebuild and strengthen weakened muscle fibers. But even more importantly, black beans are rich in resistant starch, a special type of carbohydrate that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These bacteria produce butyrate, a natural fatty acid that reduces inflammation, boosts metabolism, and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. When your gut is healthy, your muscles, especially in your legs, recover faster and grow stronger. Research from the U.S. National Institute on Aging, NIA, found that people who ate black beans or similar legumes at least 4 times a week had muscle mass comparable to those 10-15 years younger. In addition, the iron and magnesium in black beans improve blood circulation and reduce muscle fatigue, 2 key areas most adults over 60 struggle with. Preparation is simple. Soak the beans overnight, then cook them with a pinch of sea salt and a few slices of ginger. You can enjoy them as a soup, in a salad, or mashed into a spread for whole grain toast. No matter how you serve them, black beans remain clean fuel for your body, providing steady, lasting energy instead of the quick spike and crash from sugar or refined carbs. I often tell my patients, real strength doesn't come from pills or the gym, it comes from how you feed your body every single day. Linda nodded, her eyes shining. Now I get it, she said softly. Turns out the miracle was sitting in a simple bowl of soup all along. Number 2. Greek yogurt, the golden duo for muscles and bones. If there's one food that's both easy to enjoy and deeply restorative from the inside out, it's Greek yogurt. This seemingly ordinary food is actually the silent rescue team for your muscles, joints, and gut, the three systems that determine true strength after 60. I once treated Helen Brooks, a 70-year-old woman from Arizona. She loved her morning walks with her little dog, but lately, her hip joints had become swollen and painful, making even short walks difficult. She assumed it was just age-related arthritis. But after some tests, I discovered she was severely lacking in natural probiotics and fast-absorbing protein. I advised her to add 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to her breakfast, mixed with a few banana slices and a drizzle of raw honey. 3 weeks later, she returned beaming. I'm walking again, and the pain's gone. It's amazing how something so simple could make such a difference, she said. That miracle has solid science behind it. Greek yogurt contains nearly twice as much protein as regular yogurt, giving the body the raw materials it needs to rebuild and maintain muscle. But what truly sets it apart is its abundance of probiotics, live, beneficial bacteria that restore balance to the gut microbiome. When your gut is healthy, your body absorbs calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D far more efficiently, the essential building blocks of strong bones and flexible joints. A 2023 study from Stanford University found that older adults who ate Greek yogurt daily experienced a 32% reduction in joint and muscle inflammation and improved bone density within just 8 weeks. Probiotics also help lower cortisol, the stress hormone responsible for fatigue and accelerated muscle loss. To maximize the benefits, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, no added flavors or artificial sweeteners. Pair it with berries or walnuts, natural sources of antioxidants that enhance protein absorption. If you want a savory twist, use Greek yogurt as a salad dressing base instead of mayonnaise. It's delicious and heart-healthy. Think of your gut as a garden. When you add Greek yogurt to your diet, you're planting good bacteria seeds that bring that garden back to life, and when your gut thrives, so does your entire body. As Helen said with a smile as she left my office, "Doctor, I've realized something: the body doesn't need much, it just needs what's right." And sometimes, right is as simple as 1 cup of yogurt each morning. Number 1. Lentils, the builder that rebuilds muscle strength. Among all the foods that help restore strength after 60, lentils deserve the number 1 spot. Small and unassuming, yet packed with enough protein, fiber, and minerals to rebuild your body from the ground up. I still remember Thomas Reed, an 81-year-old retired mechanical engineer from Minnesota. When he first came to my clinic, he had to rely on a walker. His legs trembled, his thigh muscles had wasted away, and his previous doctor told him to accept old age. But Thomas refused to give up. "I used to build bridges and operate heavy machinery," he said. "There's no way I'm giving up on standing on my own 2 feet." I told him to start with the simplest change possible: 3 bowls of lentil soup a week. No supplements, no gym workouts, just a pot of lightly seasoned lentils, cooked with vegetables and olive oil. 2 months later, he returned for his follow-up: no walker, no cane. His steps were slow but steady. "I just walked around the lake for nearly an hour," he said, smiling. "Honestly, I haven't felt this strong in over 10 years. What made the difference? The secret lies in leucine, an amino acid found in lentils, known as the on switch for muscle regeneration. When leucine is present, your body gets the signal to start rebuilding the fibers that have broken down over time. A single cup of lentils delivers nearly 18 grams of protein, plus iron, magnesium, and folate, all essential for maintaining energy and repairing cells. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that adults over 60 who ate lentils at least 3 times per week reduced their risk of muscle weakness and falls by 22%, and had noticeably higher bone density than those who didn't. Beyond strengthening muscles, lentils help regulate blood sugar, lower inflammation, and maintain a healthy weight, all key factors in feeling youthful and mobile every day. To get the most benefit, soak lentils for at least 2 hours before cooking to make them easier to digest. Cook them with carrots, celery, and onions, and add a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory power. On a cold day, A warm bowl of lentil soup doesn't just comfort your body, it fuels your muscles and your heart. Thomas told me during one of our follow-ups, "Doctor, I've realized that strength doesn't come from the gym or a pill. It comes from the kitchen, from what we choose to feed ourselves." And he was right. Lentils aren't just food, they're a reminder that your body is always ready to heal and rebuild as long as you give it the chance. Daily habits to maintain strength. When it comes to restoring strength after 60, most people think they need a gym membership, fancy machines, or expensive supplements. But in truth, it's the small changes in your everyday meals that make the biggest difference. After decades of working with older patients, I've learned one simple truth. Your body knows how to heal itself, it just needs the right nourishment to do it. Let's take a look back at the 5 foods we've explored. Sweet potatoes provide steady energy, support circulation, and help regenerate cells. Sardines, packed with protein and omega-3 seconds to reduce inflammation, lubricate joints, and nourish muscle fibers. Black beans improve digestion, lower inflammation, and build long-lasting stamina. Greek yogurt balances gut health, boosts calcium absorption, and strengthens bones. Lentils deliver complete protein and trigger the body's natural muscle-building process. Each one is a piece of a larger picture together. They form a complete system for renewal. Think of them as a team. Sweet potatoes fuel your body. Sardines and lentils rebuild your muscles. Black beans sustain your endurance. And Greek yogurt ensures your gut and bones absorb every benefit efficiently. To make it simple, here's a sample Strength Awakening Day. Breakfast: 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt topped with berries or half a ripe banana. Lunch: a salad with black beans and roasted sweet potatoes, drizzled with olive oil and fresh lemon juice. Dinner: lightly seared sardines served with stewed lentils and steamed vegetables. No complicated recipes, no high costs, just a little consistency. Within a few weeks, you'll notice the changes. Lighter steps, deeper sleep, and mornings filled with more energy than you've had in years. Here's the advice I always give my patients. Start with one food. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one item you enjoy and make it part of your daily routine. When you start feeling the difference, you'll naturally want to keep going. Health doesn't come from force, it comes from commitment. Aging may turn your hair gray and your skin wrinkled, but it doesn't have to take away your strength, not if you keep feeding your body the right way. Treat every meal as a small opportunity to reclaim something big. Your freedom, your confidence, and the simple joy of moving through life on your own strong legs. My dear friends, one autumn morning in California, I received an email from George Miller. Attached was a photo of him walking along the beach, barefoot, holding his grandson's hand, smiling under the golden Sunday. Beneath the photo, he wrote just 4 simple words: "My legs remember now." I smiled as I read it because that's exactly what I've always believed. The body never truly forgets how to be strong. It just needs to be reminded through the right choices. Over the years, I've met hundreds of people like George, Evelyn, Linda, and Thomas, men and women who once thought their best days were behind them. They walked into my clinic with slumped shoulders and left with eyes full of hope. Not because of miracles, but because they realized that true strength begins with simple things: a nourishing meal, a good night's sleep, and the belief that change is still possible. Our bodies are like old pianos. Even if they've gathered dust, the moment someone strikes the right note, the music returns. After 60, 70, or even 90, you can still play the song of health again with good food, patience, and self-compassion. If what I've shared today made you smile or nod in recognition, share this video with a friend or loved one, someone who's also ready to regain their strength and confidence. Sometimes, one small message can change the course of someone's health journey. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you 3 simple movements, just 5 minutes each morning, that can keep your joints flexible, improve circulation, and rebuild strength without ever stepping into a gym. Before we finish, I want you to remember this. Age doesn't define your health, you do. Your body is still listening. Every meal, every breath, every step you take is a message that says, I still want to live strong and live fully. Start today, even if it's just with 1 sweet potato, 1 bowl of lentils, or 1 cup of yogurt. Because the moment you choose to care for yourself, life begins to grow strong again, step by step, day by day, heartbeat by heartbeat.